Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I am going to cover how to use the job board. It's pretty easy if you've used other filters, either from shopping online or from using LinkedIn or other types of platforms that have any sort of filtering. This is pretty straightforward. You can search it, or you can also select from the job titles selected on the left side navigation. So I'm going to select Cloud Specialist, Content, and let's see, maybe I'll select the Marketing Coordinator, Marketing Manager, Product, and like I said, experience level, mid, director. And let's see, for the purpose of this, let's see what we can find. Oops. Okay. That's interesting. That could be something else. But let's do something more realistic then. Anything there? Nope. Alright. Let's do 100K then. So we can have a little bit more. And then you can select a location. So let's just select completely remote because I want a remote. Oh, cool. The farmer's dog is hiring. So manager of scientific communications. Now you'll take a look at all of the job leads here, and you can save them by just going like this. Success! Here you go. And this is how easy it is to do this, okay? So, all of this is going to get pre-populated based on your account information. So now, you selected the job, you read the job description, you understand what the scope is, and you want to apply. This has the application embedded in it, so you don't actually have to leave the swooped dashboard to submit the application. So your basic questions are going to be pre-filled for you. Then if you already have a resume uploaded, you can select from it. So as you can see, I have quite a few, but if you want to start with a brand new one, you can also upload one again. So just for the sake of this demo, I'll do that. I'll optimize with AI. Let's do a full optimization. Because I want this to be a fast demo, I'm just going to accept these recommendations. I'm not going to do much heavy editing, but again, I recommend the editing. So as you can see, I don't have the skill match, so let's start reviewing. So let's see, these bullet points are optimized to target your job. Add a personalized, okay, so let's do that. And then, for the purpose of this, I can just show you can delete it, you can edit it, you can delete it, you can accept it, and this is basically how this works. So I'm going to close this and just keep going. Like, again, this is an example of my resume. As you can see, it's got already some pretty good scores because it has been optimized. It's got some good recommendations. You could also add skills, add your certifications, or you can also even add a custom section. So once you are done with this, let's see, we'll just dismiss it. Okay, come on. Okay.